Hello, this is the first video for Math0302 beginning Algebra, Chapter 3, Section 4. In this section we're going to look at slope and rate of change. Now look at the first thing that we're looking at here, and that is the slope formula. It says if you have a coordinate x1, y1, and you have a coordinate x2, y2, or points on a line, the slope m of the line is given by the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now what we have here, it says rise over run, and that's something we use to remember this. Now rise, when you rise, you're always going up, and on the axes, up is the y, and when you run, you're going horizontally somewhere, and the horizontal axis on the coordinate grid is left and right. It's the x-axis. Okay, so that's a y over x type thing. Now, every now and then you're going to see me write this as delta y over delta x. Don't be confused. All that this little triangle symbol here means, it's the Greek letter delta. It's a lowercase. Wait, no, uppercase. Sorry. Now, delta y over delta x just means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here's the thing. You need to be able to memorize this formula. Go ahead and get flashcards if you need to, but this formula is a formula that should be seared into your memory. It should always be there from now until the sun doesn't shine, and then even beyond that. Okay, so okay, this table is something we're going to fill in here. Let's look at the upward direction. Now, the upward is telling us that the slope is going up from left to right. That's really what the slope tells you, is what is the graph doing as the function goes from the left to the right. Now, with an upward slope, the slope is positive. Okay. An appearance on the graph, it's going to look something like this. So going from left to right, you're always going up. Now downward, well, that's going to be a negative slope. Okay, and a downward slope means that from the left to right, you're actually going down. So see that, going down from left to right. Now horizontal. A horizontal slope is 0. I've talked about it several times, so let's go ahead and just kind of draw it here. Okay, that's terrible. Let me use a different tool here. That's not the tool I wanted. 1 second. There we go. Now, vertical. A vertical line, here's the thing. With the horizontal line, the reason that we have a slope of 0 is because the rise in the graph is 0 and the run is something. Okay. With a vertical line, let me go ahead and just draw that real quick. A vertical line is going to look something like that. Okay, with the vertical line, there is a rise, but there is no run. It's not going left or right at all. So a number divided by 0 is going to be undefined. Okay, so horizontal line is 0, vertical line is undefined. And remember, a horizontal line is always in the form of y equals a number, and the vertical line is always in the form of x equals a number. There you go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and we're going to start with practice 1 in the next video.